Welcome back to Newswatch 12 Midday. A gray and gloomy weekend ahead, so why not spice things up? Chef Vinny joins us in the kitchen this midday to show us a flavorful pepper-filled pasta recipe.
All right, so on this episode of In the Kitchen over here at Channel 12, here's what we're doing today. Sausage and peppers over spaghetti. So I'm Vinny DiCostanzo, owner of Vinny's Italian Kitchen and host, co-producer and director of the new television series coming out this fall on Southern Oregon PBS, all across Oregon. We hope you can tune in and watch that as well. But in the meantime, we're here. We're happy to be here with Channel 12, and we're making one of our old-time, very popular dishes, sausage and peppers. I don't think you get more old school than that. I think everyone's grandmother has made it, whether they're Italian or not, sausage and peppers. So here's our version of it. I know a lot of people have amazing versions of it on their own. This is the way we do it here at Vinny's. So what I like to do is I take some mild Italian sausage, okay? I saute it in olive oil, garlic, and I bring the sausages sliced thin till they start cupping, okay? Then from there, we're gonna add our pepper mix. And I know you've seen this one before. We've done it before. We're gonna do it again today because, again, a lot of people, when they come in after they see it, and maybe you will too, you'll ask for this dish. It's fantastic. You can have it over any pasta you want. And we'll put over that for you. So we're sauteing our peppers, our sausage, our garlic, our olive oil. Let me ask the cameraman, do you like it spicy? Yes. Okay. So today we'll make it spicy. So how we do that? Well, we're going to add our salt, our pepper, some Italian mix. Again, there's about 5 spices in this Italian mix. We're going to add our chili flakes, but we're also going to add something else, a little secret spice. Nope, not telling you what that one is. All right, there we go. That's in. We have one thing left to add to our sausage and peppers. And if you had to guess what it would be, what does sausage and pepper go best with? Yes. Marinara sauce. Okay. Here we go. We're almost there. Sausage and peppers. Spicy. Because the cameraman's taking it home. He's going to eat it all. Haha. Bummer for the newscaster. They're not here. They don't get to eat. That's it. Okay. Here we go. Some spaghetti. Now this is a spaghettini. This is not your normal fat spaghetti. This is right in between the spaghetti and the angel hair. Spaghettini, thin spaghetti, al dente. So we're going to cook this down just for a minute. I'm going to keep rotating it. Kind of help it hurry up, get rid of its liquid. Oh my goodness. I mean, come on. The color, the smell, the texture. Sausage and peppers. Man, oh man. I think we're there. Should have cranked up that fire. All right, we shut that off. I'm gonna shut this off. Let's go ahead and plate our sausage and pepper. Oh, come on. See that? See these colors? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. So there we have it, our sausage and pepper pasta over spaghetti. If it's okay with you, I'd like to take another pretty flour and I'd like to put it right on top. I'm a very sensitive person. I like flowers. Okay, and then here we go. A little more cheese. All right, so sausages and peppers, Vinny's Italian Kitchen. There you go.